Wait a minute, this doesn't look like an EAS mock. This looks like a Windows 10 desktop. Oh, that's right, I have an announcement to make. This is going to be the last EAS mock that was scripted, recorded, edited, and uploaded on this computer. This one down here that you saw in the beginning of this video. I'm going to be upgrading to a much better computer that is faster and more reliable than this one. However, I don't want to just completely trash it just yet. I wanted to make probably one last video with this computer before I most likely never use it again. And I thought, why not make an EAS mock to say farewell to this computer. I've had it since the 5th grade, and it's about time it goes. So, like I said, I'm going to be upgrading to a computer that is much faster, much more reliable, and did I mention much faster? So, yeah, I hope you enjoy the last EAS mock that was scripted, recorded, edited, and uploaded on this computer. So without further ado, here is the EAS mock.
Tornado emergency for the Louisville metro and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for East Central Harrison County in South Central Indiana, South Central Clark County in South Central Indiana, Southeastern Floyd County in South Central Indiana, Oldham County in Central Kentucky, Northwestern Shelby County in Central Kentucky, South Central Trimble County in Central Kentucky, Southwestern Henry County in Central Kentucky, Jefferson County in Central Kentucky, until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Shively, or near Louisville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Louisville metro and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Louisville, Audubon Park, Watterson Park, Lineview, Parkway Village, Poplar Hills, Newburgh, and Oaklawn around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersonville, St. Regis Park, West Bucco, Woodlawn Park, Hollow Creek, Seneca Gardens, Strathmore Village, Rolling Fields, Houston Acres, and Riverwood around 11:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Linden, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Hurstbourne, Greenwood, Devondale, Windy Hills, Anchorage, and Hurstbourne Acres around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Middletown, Worthington Hills, and Coldstream around noon Eastern Daylight Time. LaGrange around 12:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Oldham, Clarksville, Louisville, Bowman Field, Buckner, Louisville International Airport, Watson, Ballardsville, Utica, River Ridge, and Smithfield. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.